In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the nothing has stitched error in Fusion 360 and more importantly, what it actually means so you can avoid it in the future. This is a really common issue when you're working with surface modeling, and it can be frustrating when Fusion refuses to turn your surfaces into a solid body. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. So first, what does the nothing has stitched error actually mean? In simple terms, Fusion 360 is trying to join your surfaces together into a solid, but it can't because those surfaces do not form a completely closed shape. For a solid body to be created, every edge has to connect perfectly with no gaps. If even one tiny gap exists, Fusion will fail and show this error. Now let's go through the most common causes and how to fix each one. The first thing you want to do is check for gaps between surfaces. Go ahead and zoom in closely around the edges where your surfaces meet. Even a very small gap can break the stitch. If you notice edges that aren't touching, that's likely your issue. Next, try increasing the stitch tolerance. When you open the stitch tool, you'll see a tolerance setting. This controls how far apart edges can be and still be considered connected. If your edges are very close but not perfectly aligned, slightly increasing this value can solve the problem instantly. Just be careful not to increase it too much, or you could introduce geometry issues. Another common mistake is not selecting all required surfaces. Make sure you've included every face needed to fully enclose the shape. If even one surface is missing, Fusion won't be able to create a solid body, so double check your selection before applying the stitch. If everything looks selected correctly but it still doesn't work, your surfaces might be misaligned or overlapping. In this case, you'll need to repair them using tools like patch, extend, or trim. For example, you can extend a surface so it properly meets another, or trim away overlapping areas so the edges line up cleanly. Take your time here because clean geometry is key. Here's a quick tip to remember. This error almost always means your model is not forming a fully closed volume, so instead of guessing, focus on finding where the shape is open. Once you fix that, the stitch will usually work right away, and that's it. You now know exactly how to fix the nothing has stitched error in Fusion 360 and get your surfaces turned into solid bodies without frustration. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Fusion 360 guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.